Samsung is finally listening to something that fans have been asking for years. The Galaxy S23 Ultra looks a lot like the S22 Ultra, but it will have one very meaningful change that will make it more durable, easy to hold, and make it easier to write on using the S Pen. Yes, with the Galaxy S23 Ultra, Samsung is getting rid of that artificial curve that they had on the frame of the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Instead, it will now be flat, giving us a better overall experience and making the display feel more flat. Now, it's not going to be a completely flat display like your iPhone, which is why it's going to have a slight edge, which makes it look more futuristic compared to a traditional flat screen phone. Best believe it's going to be the best combination of having that edge as well as having a flat screen. They've definitely maxed out the beauty of the front. In my opinion, is definitely the most beautiful phone front on the market. Now, it seems like Samsung continues to listen to the fans. Apparently, we might actually see 256 GB as a base storage for all Galaxy S23 models. And before you get too excited, there is a catch. This might actually happen to only selective markets. Sources have confirmed that the 128 GB model does exist and is going to come out for certain markets. So just like the different RAM variants, we're going to see different storage variants as well, depending on the market. And lastly, but most importantly, what are the rumors regarding the pricing of the Galaxy S23 lineup? And well, we have some good news. Despite having more expensive materials, for example, the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip, Samsung could still price the S23 lineup like the S22 lineup, starting at $799 for the S23, $1,000 for the S23 Plus, and $1,200 for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. With these prices, you have to keep in mind that Samsung will offer a lot of freebies like their buds and the watch, and you'll also get the ability to trade in your older Galaxy flagship phone and get incredible deals. We are 28 days away from the official Unpacked event. Let me know what you think about the Galaxy S23 Ultra's most meaningful design change that Samsung is finally bringing. Drop your thoughts below. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.